you? Yeah. Was that the washing machine? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Was that the washing machine? Yeah, I started some laundry. Can you blow everybody a kiss this morning? Oh, someone's in a lot better of a mood. Uh-oh, what? Whoa. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Whoa, baby. Up in your face. Oh, baby's up in your face. You ready to go eat? Yeah? Alright, say bye-bye to everybody. What? What are you doing? He's here. Hello. Hello, handsome. Alright, let's go eat. You show Sharky all the breads? Okay, so just finished at Kroger. Figured I'd go get some stuff for the house. I know Kay said we were out of milk and we needed some eggs and some bread, the essentials. So we are now just going to go run and get something to eat. I really wanted to get him out of the house. This guy over here in particular. Yeah, we got some eggs next to you. Just because he's been getting fussy lately, and I know getting him out of the house kind of just makes him start thinking about other things and stuff. So, but it was fun at Kroger. Riding on the foggy glass. He thought that was pretty interesting. And he's never seen peanut butter stacked up, so I don't know what that was all like, wow, about. So, but anywho, we're just gonna eat. I have to work today. Kay has to work again tonight, so it's gonna be just a relaxing day for them. Hopefully, Kay's at home sleeping well. So, yeah.
Hi. So somebody's rearranging furniture in the kitchen. Should we go look? I'm really sorry about how messy our house is. It's kind of toddler central in here. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? You building? Wow. Yeah, so now I have a cough and sneezing, and A has a cough and sneezing. One day I will stop getting sick. I swear. It's where I work. It's a cesspool. It's just, don't work in an emergency room at night. Blah. What is that? Whoa! Are those your chairs? Yeah, you want to see? Ooh, that's something we've never done before. We've never looked at our fridge. Okay, so let's see what else we've got on our fridge. All right, so here's a photo of me and T. This was pre-A. And me and my uncle, my favorite photo ever. And then we have Nate, cousin, and aunt. You have a lot of cousin. Okay, and then we have A and Santa from last year, and our Disneyland. And then this was something that T got me for my birthday, this magnet. Ha ha ha, but oddly true. And Mommy and A. So then on this side, we have godparents. A's godparents, Carlin and Scott. And another one from them. Then this was a gift from my uncle to T last year when they went whitewater rafting. Then we have Color Me Red. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Oh, yeah. Okay. So then we have our magnet from Disney. Talking about our vacation. It has Dumbo. We love Dumbo, huh? Yeah. And all of A's drawings. We've done paintings for Mama. Yeah. I think that's about it. So let's see what else you're doing, A. Gosh, if I had known that that would be entertaining to you, I could have brought those out a long time ago. All these toys, and he plays with the boxes that they are stored in. But I'm not going to complain. That's pretty good. We like creativity. Yeah, you are so strong. So strong. Yeah, got handprints, huh? That's Mama's hand. And there's A's hand. Very good. Yeah, there's Mama's.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's big, huh? We should paint again sometime. Yeah. All right. You guys want to come with me to water our plants? Okay, I'm going to go get some water. I'll be right back. Here they are, and our poor flowers aren't doing so hot. They don't look as happy as all the other stuff. Our tomatoes are looking really good. I don't know, they just kind of look, let's see. We've got one green tomato. We got some flowers for the top. See the flowers? Which means we'll have some up there. And I think that's it. Because yeah, that's where the other one was. So maybe I just had our initial 3 tomatoes and that's it. But then our basil's doing really well. It smells yummy. It's just been so weird and hot and rainy, and so I think a lot of our stuff just doesn't really like that so much. But anyway, so there's our garden. And here's A. Hey, A. Alright, well, I hope you guys are having a good day. We're hanging out for a little bit before I have to get ready to go to work tonight. And hopefully tonight is not as busy as last night, because last night was not so. So.
Baby.
Sorry, for some reason I heard something click. Okay. You have anything else you want to say, Snotty Nose? Big chairs. Do you sit in those? Whoa, good job. I don't know, those don't look very comfy. I don't know. Yeah? Should I sit in those?
Baby.
Okay, here we go. Can you hold this? Can you hold it and film Mama? Okay, pay no attention to the turtle pants. Sometimes you just gotta wear turtle pants. Okay, can you lift it up so you can see Mama? Okay, lift it up so you can see Mama. Ugh.
Baby.
Oh, here we go. Look up. Point it up. Here we go. I'm in the chair. What do you think?
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Okay. In the chair. Now he's in the chair. Whoa, baby. Okay. So, hey, are you going to help Mama get out of this? Okay, because I think I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. Well, maybe. Yay! You did it! You did it! You gonna video? Okay, you video you, okay? Oh, you got not so. That's gross. Okay. Okay. Yay! You wanna see bye-bye? You wanna do it again? No? Okay, you just keep playing with your chairs, all right?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama sat in that one, huh?
Baby.
And Baby sat in that one.
Mama.
Well, I don't know that I'm going to do that again because I don't know that I can get out of it. Yeah, so silly. You can, there you go. Yeah. Okay, we'll say bye, okay? Bill kisses? No? Alright. Apparently we don't want to say goodbye to you, but I'm going to. Okay? See ya.
You thought you wouldn't get to see me again. I know. I just got home a little bit ago. Okay, headed off to work, so I got to give this little man a bath. Yeah. Hello, handsome. Yeah, it's just been tough for him this last day. He's just not feeling well, tired, and just sleepy. So I'm gonna put him to bed, and we will see you guys tomorrow. I hope everybody's having a good day, a good night, and be good. Can you say bye-bye? Can you blow everybody kisses? Yeah. Oh, you got kisses. Good night, everyone.